Yeah, my name's Jonny Anderson. I'm from San Diego and I live in San Diego currently. Yeah, my overlanding journey kind of just started with getting the truck about 4 years ago, and then from there we've kind of gone off the grid as much as we could. My truck is a 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro with a Go Fast camper on the back, got 35-inch tires and front and rear bumpers. Yeah, I enjoy doing like the expedition style sort of overlanding where it's long, open roads, not really an agenda. Still enjoy the rock crawling and the wheeling part, but ultimately just like getting off the grid and finding a cool spot to camp. I know what quality gear is, I know what's the best, I know what to look for in terms of that quality, so that's why I really like the RinseKit Rack Showers, because I know it's going to last a really long time. One thing I love about the Rack Shower is the battery-powered pressure. Yeah, with other portable showers, you have to worry about repressurizing it, repumping it from a pressurized source. With the Rack Shower, all you have to do is just pour in the water, press a button, and it's good to go. You have automatic pressure right there. Yeah, one thing that's really cool with the Rack Shower is the versatility and where you can mount it. You can mount it on all 4 sides of your vehicle. You can mount it inside your camper if you have one. If you have a rooftop tent or any crossbars, you can mount it above, below, on a roof rack. There's just so many options. Yeah, this is a really high quality product that's gonna last a really long time. 4 to 6 month battery charge, 15,000 hour battery life. It's gonna provide that continuous reliability that every overlander needs when you're off the grid, which is something that's really important to comfortability and safety.